Guys, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a first impressions and review this very affordable product. This product is actually new to me. I actually haven't tried this yet, and this is the I Heart a Revolution chocolate contour bar palette. Very impressed, guys, how this very affordable product actually performs well on the skin. If you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle. Passion is to create videos and provide makeup tutorials and reviews to help you enhance your beauty and save some money. So if you enjoyed videos like this, please smash that like button and subscribe, because it helps me create content like this and provide as much value for you. I really appreciate all your support, guys. If you guys actually wanted to join me, or if you guys wanted to save, you know, especially if you're looking for a very affordable contour palette that you can actually bronze and you can actually highlight, and also you can actually use it for your eyes as well, please keep on watching. I actually picked this one up from my local Priceline pharmacy. Actually do come in 3 different shades, which is fair, light and medium. Retail for $12. In the US is actually retail for $9. They come in a light, medium, dark shade. They stated on this product, this actually has a natural sun kiss glow matte bronzing powder. It has a shimmer highlighter. It actually looks and smells like a chocolate bar. Wow. It definitely looks like a chocolate bar. It have a built-in mirror. And this is the highlighter. Let me just swatch it for you. Quite a pigment there. A little bit powdery. Because definitely smells like chocolate. I feel like I want to eat chocolate. Okay, it's definitely easy to blend. And it's buildable, applies very smoothly on the skin. You actually don't need to use a blush. Let's just contour a little bit of my nose. Go and try the highlighter. Whoa, look at that. That's just one swipe, guys. It's definitely pigmented, so both the bronzing and the highlighter is actually pigmented. Oh, look at that, guys. So I just apply that on my inner corner. I really love it, guys. It's actually very pigmented and it's easy to apply, so make sure that you tap any excess before you apply it on your face. If you guys haven't tried this I Heart a Revolution chocolate contour bar palette, I highly recommend it for you guys to check it out. I hope I've actually did help you out in today's video, and thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button. And please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.